This is high quality sound, true wireless stereo, dual EQ modes, 13 hours of playtime, IP67 waterproof, built-in microphone. So this is Bluetooth 5.0, which is latest, and it is very durable, and we can put in water also, and it is type C. So these are the features, and sound also very good. It gives good sound. So friends, as you can see, this is MI portable Bluetooth speaker, 16 watt. We are having power on off button, volume decrease, volume increased, Bluetooth, which will pair our devices. This will search. This is the microphone, aux port here, which is nothing but 3.5 mm jack, and type C port. With this we can able to connect, like we can charge from laptop or else power bank, as well as charger itself. So as you can see, we can connect like this to our laptop. See here, it's charging. So what we will do, we will test first. Quality is very good and little bit heavier and very portable. You can take in picnic also. It is very handy. In pocket also it will come. So here we will connect. For this we have to press this power button.
Power on.
Then
Bluetooth pairing.
now Bluetooth is pairing, it is showing. So what we will do, we will connect in our device.
Bluetooth connected.
As you can see, this is connected. So it is connected. So MI portable Bluetooth speaker 16 watt is connected. So 70% we are having battery.
Welcome to Dolby Atmos. Please put on your headphones. It's a new way to experience sound. Unlike stereo, which is limited to 2 audio channels, Dolby Atmos can manipulate individual sounds in 3D space to position sounds all around you. Sounds can move above you, far away, or let's compare. This is stereo, and this is Dolby Atmos. Dolby Atmos can build worlds of sound to tell any story. It catches all the little details, puts you in the center of the action. It sounds just like the real world, and transports you to faraway lands. Go inside the story with breakthrough sound. Dolby Atmos.
We will stop the audio. So we will disconnect this.
Power off.
Now it is disconnected. So here audio is very good. It is good to take somewhere else, like on picnic, some other places. It is very good and very handy and very durable, as you can see. So this is play and pause button.